Hey everybody, this is Captain Philip with Airworthy Tours, and I'm going to be your pilot and tour guide as we take a ghost tour of the Baltimore Inner Harbor and the USS Constellation. We are clear for takeoff, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. Ahead is the USS Constellation, one of the historic ships docked in Baltimore's Inner Harbor. It is the only Civil War era ship still afloat, having served 100 years in the U.S. Navy. With such a long military history, there have been numerous ghostly encounters on board the ship, including reports of ghostly people walking around on the deck, strange knocking sounds, various objects moving on their own, and more. In fact, even a Catholic priest once had a scare on board. Resident spirits include that of former Captain Thomas Truxton and a young powder boy thought to have been murdered on board in the 1800s. Similar ghostly encounters have occurred on nearby ships, including the USS Torsk and the USCG lightship Chesapeake, and the entire Baltimore Inner Harbor as well. There have been stories at night of mysterious lights floating on or around the USS Constellation. However, if you don't believe me and you feel, as they say, it's cap, feel free to take a night lantern tour on board the ship. The link will be in the description box. If you made it to the end, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Also, make sure to check out the rest of our tours from the Haunted series. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and I look forward to seeing you on our next flight.